My name is Massey, and I am in my second semester of my first year. So I currently have two projects on which I'm working. One is a collaboration with Duke University, and the other one is through our department. I work in computer networks and specifically network flows. So essentially, if someone logs into the internet, let's say they go to YouTube and they start browsing around while their computer's sending out packets to YouTube saying, hi, I'd like to request some data. YouTube sends packets back. And so we're looking at the size of those packets and the frequency at which they're arriving. And we're passing those into a classifier in order for the classifier to be able to correctly identify, are they web browsing? Are they doing voice over IP? Are they chatting? What are they doing on the internet? The second project is something called a DNS overrider. There's a lot of pathways one could take to get from where we're located to where whatever website they're trying to access is located. The internet will give you a predetermined route that says, oh, you should go through this pathway to this router, and eventually to the destination. I said, well, is that always the best route? Maybe I could find a better route. So instead, I query all different routes that we could take and judge, okay, which one's actually the fastest, and I overwrite what the internet wants or what the internet decides is the best route, and I use my own route, and I check whether or not I could increase my internet speed. And so far, you might see an improvement in the time it takes for your packet to get out to the destination and get information back. Could be as much as 2 seconds quicker. And so that's pretty substantial. If you're trying to load a video and it's buffering every 15 seconds, you want to get more information so that your video doesn't buffer. And it turns out if you're in some of these more rural areas, by overriding the internet's choice, you can actually get an improvement in internet performance. I quite enjoy teaching, so I host my office hours, I sit down. I tend to have 5 to 7 students sitting in the room all asking questions at the same time. I'm teaching internet services and protocols, so it's very near and dear to my research, and so I enjoy it, and a lot of students kind of view it as, kind of bland or kind of dry, let's say. But I try and meet with the students to get them to enjoy class, enjoy the assignments, enjoy discussing it, and I try and bring kind of a positive attitude towards it to hopefully get more people interested in this area.